Hi, I, Dr. S.B. Donde, Associate Professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, I am going to demonstrate a Mod 10 counter using IC74LS90. This is circuit diagram of Mod 10 counter. Please refer the datasheet of 74LS90, which is a 14-pin IC. So here pin number 2 and 3 are R0 reset circuitry. Then RG pin number 6 and 7, which is connected to the ground. Pin number 14 a clock A. Pin number 5 connected to the VCC. Pin number 10, which is connected to the ground. QA nothing but the pin number 12, QB pin number 9, QC pin number 8, QD pin number 11, and the clock B, QA given to input to the clock B. Now we can use a simulator to implement a mod 10 using 74LS90. So go to the add IC, select the base and select the 7490 IC, 7490, which is decade counter. Add it. It is a 14-pin IC. We already discussed mod 10 counter internal circuit diagram, designing of mod 10. Here R0, 2 and 3 pin number connected to the ground. 2 and 3 connected to the ground. Then 6 and 7 also connected to the ground. 6, 7 connect to the ground. 6 and 7 is connected to the ground. Pin number 5 is VCC. Pin number 5 is VCC. Pin number 10 is ground. Here 8, 9, 10 connected to the ground. Then pin number 14 is clock A. 14 is clock A. Pin number 12 is QA. So it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is what QA. Then QB is 9. So 8, 9, QB. QC is 8, 8. QD is 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you have to connect it. So then we have to connect QA to the clock B. QA means 12 pin number. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nothing. Okay, you have to connect this to the now the circuit diagram is ready. Then you have to switch on the power supply and check the mod 10 counter. Then switch on the give the clock. So see the output 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we can reduce the speed. So switch on. I can remove this connection. I can give this to suppose you can remove this. For pin number 14 is was what? QA. Pin number 14. Say I'll increase pin number, sorry, pin number 14. Connect to here. Now switch on the power supply and again you can check it. Now you can view this. Somewhat speed is low. 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Thank you.